Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by connecting hardware and confirming network basics. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it with a stable USB or adapter. Switch your Xiaomi TV to that HDMI input now. Once the TV shows a Chromecast setup screen, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network and you've enabled HDMI CEC in TV settings so remote control passes through. This gets you immediately ready for the Google Home pairing step. Don't skip power stability or matching network. Once your phone and Chromecast see each other, open Google Home and choose Setup Device, then New Device. You'll follow on screen prompts to verify the code visible on your TV and assign a recognizable name like Living Room TV. Make sure to place the device in a room so voice and routines work correctly. Choose the same Wi-Fi network and install any firmware updates. Granting location and local network permissions lets casting and device discovery work reliably across apps. To cast, open a supported app like YouTube or Netflix and tap the cast icon, then pick your TV name. Content should appear immediately. You can control playback from your phone, the TV remote if HDMI SEC is on, or by saying commands to Google Assistant. When you're done, stop casting from the app. If casting fails, check that your phone and Chromecast share the same Wi-Fi, restart the router and Chromecast, and make sure access point isolation is off. This one check resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.